just opened up this door of IoT and machine learning. What are you excited by?
So I'm excited by what it can do, but I'm slightly hesitant with it, to be honest. I take a very conservative approach on it, if you will.
Okay.
I think that unless organizations understand failure modes, can do their FMEAs, can do RCM, can do the plan scheduling and spare parts management properly, if they can't do that, then the IIoT stuff isn't really going to help them. We really need to understand the basics. We need to get proper PMs. We need to understand what data we need to collect, do that through FMEAs or RCM analysis. And then we got to have a program that if it identifies an issue arising in a piece of equipment, can we request that work, plan it, schedule it, and get the parts in on time before it fails? Because if we don't have the process to do that, why are we trying to get better at detecting it?
Yeah. I mean, that to me is the shiny object syndrome right there. And we see it quite a bit, actually.
Absolutely. I was actually did a podcast today with Jack Nicholas, who's, a pioneer in a lot of this stuff. And he was saying that unless they have that basics, FMEAs, RCM, defect elimination, IoT is not going to help you nearly as much as you think. Yeah. And that's why many of the pilots never succeed and never go on from a pilot stage.